China Southern Airlines, benefiting from the reform and opening up policy in southern China, has expanded rapidly in recent years and is a market leader in the China civil aviation industry. Currently, China Southern owns 14 branches, 5 subsidiaries, 18 domestic sales and ticket offices throughout China, and 53 international offices located in major metropolitan markets. China Southern operates 420 modern aircraft to more than 660 routes around the globe, serving destinations to 898 cities in 169 countries. China Southern has forged an extensive network with Guangzhou and Beijing as its hubs, covering all of China, radiated throughout Asia and linking Europe, America, Australia, and Africa, with convenient connections to all of the world's major business and leisure destination cities. China Southern Airlines operates the largest and most technologically advanced airline fleet, as well as the most extensive domestic air network in the People's Republic of China. In 2010, China Southern Airlines carried 76 million passengers. It's the third largest airline in the world and Asia's largest airline.